Welcome to the installation video of HYXI Power Low Voltage Single-Phase Hybrid Inverter. This video is divided into 4 parts. Overview of system diagram, display and pre-installation preparation, mechanical installation, and electrical connection. Overview of system diagram. Display and pre-installation preparation. Installation tool requirements. Packing list. Environment requirements. Mechanical installation. Use an impact drill with an 8 mm, 0.315 inches diameter drill bit to drill 2 holes with a depth of approximately 50 mm. Insert 2 M6x60 expansion screws into the holes. Then mount the inverter onto the wall and tighten it to the recommended torque of 30 kg 4 cm. Electrical connection. Open terminal cover with L-type hexagon wrench. Grounding procedure. Step 1. Make the cable and crimp the terminal block. Step 2. Remove the screws from the grounding terminal and use a screwdriver to secure the cable. AC cable connection. Step 1. Unscrew the waterproof cover of the AC cable. Step 2. Strip the AC cable to the required length. Step 3. Feed the AC cable through the waterproof cover. Step 4. Position the AC cable appropriately, then screw the waterproof cover back onto the cable. Step 5. Secure the positive and negative terminals of the AC cable to their corresponding positions using a Phillips screwdriver. PV side connection. Step 1. Unscrew the PV waterproof cap. Step 2. Strip the PV cable to the required length. Step 3. Thread the PV cable through the waterproof cap. Step 4. Position the PV cable appropriately, then screw the PV waterproof cap back on. Step 5. Secure the positive and negative terminals of the PV cable to their corresponding positions using a Phillips screwdriver. Battery power cable connection. Step 1. Feed the battery power cable through the waterproof cap. Step 2. Secure the positive and negative terminals of the battery power cable to their corresponding positions using a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the other end of the battery power cable to the battery. Communication connection. After connecting the wires, close the terminal cover. Power on. Scan the QR code for more commissioning information.